In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out on Wise. With online security becoming more crucial by the day, it's important to know how to safely log out of financial platforms after using them. Whether you're on your computer or using the mobile app, the process is straightforward and quick. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open the Wise platform. You might be using the website on your computer or accessing Wise through the mobile app on your smartphone. Either way, the instructions will be similar, so don't worry if you prefer one over the other. Once you've got the app or site open, make sure you're logged into your account. You've probably already done this, but double-checking is always a good idea, just to ensure the next steps are smooth and seamless. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is where you'll be able to view all your accounts and see your transaction history right in front of you. It's always helpful to take a quick look at your recent transactions for your peace of mind, but let's stay focused on logging out. Shift your attention to the top navigation area where your profile icon or name is usually displayed. This is where we'll be directing our actions. Now, go ahead and click on your profile. Depending on whether you're on a mobile device or desktop, the icon might be in different places, but generally it's in the top right corner. Once you've clicked on your profile, you'll immediately notice a drop-down menu appearing. It includes several options, but for today, we're only interested in finding the Logout option. In the menu that pops up, the Logout button is right there. Easy to spot. It's situated with other account-related settings, making it a convenient and quick feature to access. All you need to do now is click on this Logout option. With that single action, your session will end and you'll be logged out of your Wise account. Remember, logging out is an important step to maintaining your account security, especially if you share your device with others or if you're using a public or shared computer. Always make it a habit to log out of your financial accounts when you're done. This simple step can help protect your personal and financial information from unauthorized access. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to log out on Wise. It's a straightforward process, but one that pays dividends in terms of security. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips.